Lemakhiwo oyibona komzimkhulu wendaba kwa-SABC nanzi ezijujileko.
Brigadier Mokoena, as the owner of the operation, the one that gave instructions, owner in that way.
From the Tom side, yes.
Yes, would have been the one that mobilizes others to join you.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga namhlanje beyifuna impendulo sokuthi kuba yini amaHawks aphuma ngonina aya emzini waloyo osolwa ngokuba lungalendlelese ezingozi uKatiso KT Mulife ukubekana amapholisa ekhabesele lapho kabe eze ngokomthetho.
A lot of farms, small plots, your small holdings, they are being targeted. They are being used by these syndicates.
Amapholisa athi muva nje inlelesi ezididiyela intakamizwa nezithengisako sezithanda ukuzijumeka endaweni ezimaploti zicabanga bona amapholisa angezafika kanti zibethe phasi. Inkhulu eziphezulu kwa-SABC zitshele ikomiti ephasisa isekelo lemali zikahulumende eParlamente bona nabangahlombula ukusikumela phezulu ngemali ihlangano le ingaphuma emoyeni. Wabakuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 Nginguthulani Bongwe lotshanikeze Sindebele. Amapholisa athi ziyanda izehlakalo zokuvunjululwa kwemithwalo emkhulu yendakamizwa ethunyekwe emaplotini wangaphandle eGauteng. Lokho ekuyinto ethonya iziko lezomthetho. Kwesamva nje kutholakele indakamizwa ezibiza imali engange-20 million rand eMidrand.
Amapholisa afike ngendlovu yangena eMakhweni lo seMidrand ngemva kwejimi belidoswa phambili liphiko lezobuhloli avumbulula icocaine ebiza 20 million yamaranda eselibhakwe kuhle ngenitshumpana ilungela ukusatshalaliswa.
We do see a lot of cocaine being disguised in like your meat boxes. It's not the first time that we see them wrapped in other form of, wrappings. So we have found, cocaine in disguised in meat boxes being shipped into the country. We have those takedown operations and seizures that were made in your KZN.
Ukufunyana kwalezi indakamizwa kuyingcenye yokuqeda ubulele sobuhlelekileke elizweni bangaphezulu kwe-108 abasola abahlotshaniswa nesiqhema sehlanganyela yabasabalalisi bendakamizwa ababotshweko bekube nje njengoba amapholisa abuka impumelelo lawo ekutheni iza nokuqiniswa kwezobuhloli nokusebenzisana namapholisa angale komkhawulo nanyana kunjalo ingqhema zehlanganisele sabalalisi indakamizwa le ziyasuka endlini ezisemadrobheni ziyemaplotini nendlini ezisemsitheleni amapholisa athi ipyokulwa nendakamizwa isesekude nokuphela.
A lot of farms, small plots, your small holdings, they are being targeted. They are being used by these syndicates where they would either buy a farm to do these illegal activities where they will manufacture the drugs, or they will then rent the farm from a farm owner.
Esehlakalweni esifanako ngenyanga epheleleko, polisi avumbulula iplasi elikhiqiza indakamizwa eMpumalanga. Afumana indakamizwa ezibiza 350 million yamaranda kanti njengoba manje sekufunyene indakamizwa ezibiza ingidi zamaranda begodwa kwabotshwa nabantu abaningi amapholisa athi khathesi aqothela ukuyibhindla yonke ikambiso okusabalalisa lezi indakamizwa ukusuka lapha zikhicizwa khona ukuya kulabo abazithengisa estradini.
Umsolwa weminyaka ema-38 ubudala uTebogo Mnisi upalile ukwamukela ibheli ngesikhathi yavele ekhotho malungana namacala aphathelene nokubulala abentazana ababili abahlobanako uTshiamo Muramaga weminyaka ema-20 kunye noBaleseng Muramaga. Intumbu zabantazana laba zifunyenwe emphakathi weMamelodi ngosonto ekuseni ngemva kokuthi badunyuzwe babulawa ngesikhathi sinye. Kuthiwa umsolo nakabotshwako ufunyenwe nesigidi esingasisemthethweni kunye nenkule. Umbuso uthi uba ukunikelwa isikhathi ekuphenyisiseni indaba le.
Bekuzele kunganabususo benyawo ngaphandle kwekhotho kaMagistrata weMamelodi ekuseni. Lokhu kunjengombana uTebogo Mnisi weminyaka ema-38 ubudala avele kokuthoma phambi kwekhotho ngamacala amabili okuqala ahlosile lokulinga ukubulala kunye nelokuphatha isigidi esingasisemthethweni esinenkule. Lokhu kulandela isehlakalo esithusako sokutholakala kwendumbu zabantazana ababili abahlobanako beminyaka ephakathi kwema-22 kunye neminyaka ema-21 obudala uTshiamo Moramaga kunye noBaliseng Moramaga ngosondo eMamelodi. Ngemva kwalokho kubiko ukuthi ungazimbi wesithathu uDesmond Sining usindile yena ngemva kokudunyuzwa naye.
The state averts that the murder was premeditated in that the accused sourced and obtained an unlicensed firearm and ammunition with the purpose of killing the victim.
Izakhamuzi ezisilingeke ziqede ichukela zone umuzi womsolwa lo ngemva kokuzwakala kokubotshwa kwakhe abotshelwe ukubulala kabili. Umnisi uyalile ibheyili ngemva kokunikelwa igcotha lombuso engakhenge lifune kuvezwe igama lalo endabeni.
And your worship also, he does not have any protection order against his name. And your worship, it is also my further instruction that at this stage, your worship, he does not wish to bring a formal bail application. He abandoned his right to apply for bail.
Iqaleli lithwiliswelwe nge-16 January umnyaka zako ukwenzela ukuthi iphenyo liphelele.
Inkhulu eziphezulu kwa-SABC zitshele ikomiti ephasisa isekelo lemali zikahulumende eParlamente ukuthi kufuze ngenelelwe ngokurhabako bona ihlangano le ingaphuma emoyeni ngokutsho ukuthi ingasahoni ukurhatsha.
Nebe ivele ngaphambi kwekomiti le ukuyokukhulumisana ngamahlelo wokusizwa ngemali, iSABC itshela amalunga weParlamente ukuthi nanyana isebenze kuhle nakuhlolwa ukusetshenziswa kwemali kodwana ukukhociswa komthethomlingo ehlanganweni le ukungabi khona kwemali kunye nokuphalisana nezinye inhlangano zokurhatsha ezinzinzileko kezemali kungabangela ukuthi ihlangano ehatshela umphakathi le ihwahlaphale. Isikhulu esiphetheko kwa-SABC uNomsa Nchabeli ulinganise ihlangano ehatshela umphakathi le nezinye inhlangano zokurhatsha ephasini.
The SABC is the most commercial public broadcaster in the world, and it's very unusual for a development state whereby the BBC is funded. The BBC, 80% of their costs are funded by the state, and the SABC is the inverse.
Usihlalo webhodi uDr. Khathuchelo Ramukumba uthi isitshijile esikhulu sihlezi ku-14% emalini ngeniso ebuthelelwako kuma-TV license.
If you look at the legislative framework, the shareholder has accepted that the public service mandate, which costs the SABC about 2.1 billion a year, must be funded through this regime. However, this regime has spectacularly failed, as only just about 14% of South Africans are compliant.
Uchabeli ungezelele ngokuthi nenge izinto ziraga ngendlela ezingakho njenganje nakuqalwa intengo yokuthengisa nokuthembela emahlelweni akhona njenganje lokho kungatsho ukuphela kwe-SABC.
We now sit with a significant risk of having black on air because, and I'll talk to this later in terms of the challenges with SABC meeting, for example, its debt with Centec.
Nakusenjalo Ramukumba uthi isombululo sonomphelo esizokusiza ihlangano yezokurhatsha le sihlezi emthethweni umlingwa wokuthi uhulumende angezelele emalini eyi-1.1 billion yamaranda etlhayelako eminyakeni emibili ukuya kemithathu ezako.
SABC izokurhatshela bunqopha ngokusemthethweni i-G20 SA 2025.
Nasibuya entolo. Ikwekwezi FM nabebelani kezokuthutha bebahlanganyele namhlanje Oliven bahlomisana ngelwazi ngenthuthi kunye nokuphepha endleleni ukuvala inyanga yenthuthi. Indaba sekhona nawuceda ungena sekwamkela kazi indaba ezi ziyatholakala na ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Namaskar. Lithuliswele mhla amalanga amathathu kusinyikhaba icala lendoda yeminyaka ema-47 obudala esolwa ngokuthumba nokubulala amadoda amabili ngunobangela wemali ye-Road Accident Fund. uSitwell Khosa uvele ekhothoka amahastrata wemala ethula mahashi eBushbuckridge eMpumalanga. Usolwa ngokucatsha uMaxothula ukuthi abulale uShima Hlamariso Sambo kunye noKenneth Nkuna ngomhlola njalo nyanga.
Uvele kafeaturesana ngaphambi kwekhotho uSitwell Khosa osola ngokubulala abantu ababili malungana nemalabo ye-Road Accident Fund. Kuthiwa batsho uzenze kwanga umjameli wamagcwetha ofuna ukusiza abantu abafaka imbawo ze-Road Accident Fund. Abongazimba babhubhule kwabakuthiwa batsho kade kuma-client kaKhosa kanti godu iRAF besele izibhadelile imbawo zabo. Kuthiwa batsho uThumba Bongazimbi wabakatelela ukuthi babhadele imali yokubanikela isizo. Kuthiwa batsho imali leyo ibhadelwe accountini yakhe ngaphambi kokuthi ababulale.
I want him to die in jail also. That is dead. There is nothing more, nothing less. I just want justice for this guy.
We want justice. We only want justice for our sons.
Amalunga womphakathi angenele umchagalo ngaphandle kwekhotho ukusekela imndeni yabongazimbi.
I know Kenneth, I know Slamariso. We are not happy. What we want justice.
Igcwetha likaKhosa lizwakalisa ukuthwenyeka malungana neofisi eliphenyako kanti ulisola ngokungatholakali ngaso sonke isikhathi.
I'm speaking this from experience, Your Worship, with respect. Second thing, the investigating officer is not available. The investigating officer 123. We want this bail application to proceed on Monday. With respect, Your Worship.
Umagistrata uRobert Mukwana ulithiliswele umvulo weveke ezako ecaleli ukuyokufaka isibawo sebail.
The long and short of the request by your legal representative is that the state must make sure that this matter proceeds on the 3rd of November as agreed, and that there should be no hiccups.
Umaqothula obulela bongazimbaba ulivumile icala kanti ugwetshwe iminyaka e-25 ejele.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga namhlanje beyifuna impendulo zokuthi kuba yini iphiko labofokisa ama-Hawks araga aya emzini waloyo osolwa ngokuba lungaleni lelesi ziyingozi uKatiso KT Molefe eSandhurst eJohannesburg. Ngemva kokuthi bafumane bona ijima lamapholisa khabe lisemthethweni, ikomishini beyiphenya ibatsho ukuqaphela kwama-Hawks kuze kuzokuhlomula inlelesi ngokuyalwa mphathi wama-Hawks.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga ephenya insolo zobulelesi, ukuqaphela kwepolitiki nobukhahlakali emazikweni zomthetho namhlanje biphenya insolo zokuthi ama-Hawks aqaphela nakubotshwa usola ngokuba lilunga lecartel uKatiso KT Molefe ngoNobayeni womnyaka opheleleko ngebatsho yamapholisa ekhaba lapho. Ilunga laphambilini le-PKTT uKapteni Wanda uthi akhange kwamhlelela kuhle ukufika kwama-Hawks endaweni yesehlakalo. Ubrigadier Lisiba Mkwena owathumela uKapteni Kruger emzini kaMolefe utshela ikomishini kaMadlanga bona khaye baqinisekisa umtato ebawufumanako othi kunamapholisa azenza ama-Hawks. Utshuwe ngembuzo nase lathoma ukuba nekani athi batsho wakhuluma noKruger bunqopha ingasi nge-WhatsApp group. Ubufakazi be-WhatsApp beza bona bekune-group uMkwena ebebeka kiyo kanti bekunomlayezo ngegrupini leyo otshoko bona ijima lamapholisa belisemthethweni ngaphambi kokuthi bafike emzini kaMolefe.
That was my concern, that if you look at the timeline, at 1640 to 1650, so on page 9 from 1644 to 1652, by then there's communication within the group that this is a lawful SAPS operation. It's the counterintelligence task team involved. They're appointed by General Kumalo. He is in charge. This is before Captain Kruger arrives at the scene because he only gets there at 5 o'clock according to his evidence. Yet it takes another hour for you to instruct the members to withdraw. I just cannot understand why.
Ikomishini izebona ama-Hawks akhange afike bekajike angena ngendlini kaMolefe kanti bahlala endaweni leyo pheze i-iri ngemva kokuqinisekisa bona bekumapholisa mbala. Umkwena uzirhwacisile ezenzweni izi kanti uKruger lapho akhange anikele impendulo ukuthi ama-Hawks athunyelwa ngubani kaMolefe.
It seems to me that Brigadier Mokwena, as the owner of the operation, the one that gave instructions, owner in that way.
From the Tom side, yes.
Yes, would have been the one that mobilizes others to join you?
No.
If it's not you, because it's the two of you who are involved with this operation. So it's either you called out for other people. We know that you asked Chief George for assistance, and he said to you, I don't have people on land, right? And that's how he comes out in the helicopter. So we know you've made a request. We know you've sent out WhatsApp messages to your people. Now, if it's not you, and it's not, if it's not you, and it's not Brigadier Mokoena, where would anyone have known about this operation to summon DPCI Johannesburg?
The 6th of December.
Iyaraga nokulalela ubufakazi ikomishini.
That's correct, Commissioner.
Ukuphepha kwenthuthi zomphakathi kusezandleni zabo bonke abasebenzisi bendlela, ingasi abatshayeli kwaphela. La magama akandelelwe nabekubanjwe umnyanya wokuvala inyanga yenthuthi erenkeni yamateksi eOliven Houtbosch eGauteng. Ikwekwezi FM kokubambisana nabanye ababelani beyihatshela ngeteksini ukuthwaya inyanga yenthuthi. Mbikindaba wethu uNontokozo Sikhosana usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Simhathi Ikwekwezi FM sihlangene nehlangano yamateksi
iZulu akhange Bye somhatsho Ikwekwezi FM nasiya irenkeni yamateksi eOliven Houtbosch kuyokuhatshela ukusuka khona ukuya eCenturion ukuthwaya inyanga yenthuthi. Abakhweli bathi bayakuthokozela ukusebenzisa inthuthi zomphakathi kodwa na kunentshijilo abaqalana nazo emarenkeni njengokuhlayela kwenisetshenziswa.
Tula hayena haona le moya harna le di toilet ke ntho go le ka kopang mo yona. Tswelele ka yona renkeni na hae khatlisi he puye inile re ba le mathata.
Omaria Mahlangu neminyaka esithandathu atshayela amateksi uthi nanyana aphatheke kuhle emkhakheni lo ozela bobaba kwesinye isikhathi abakhweli bayamnyaza ngombana ngumma.
Abakhweli bane advantage yokuthi maybe abanye ababhadali abanye bahlaya badedele emuva bathi hayi lo driver ngumama.
Umnyango wezokuthutha uthi akulandelwe umthetho wendlela ngaso sonke isikhathi ingasi ngenyanga yenthuthi kwaphela kanti ukuphepha kusezandleni zawo wonke umuntu.
Road safety should be everybody's business every day. One life lost on our roads is one life too many.
Nakusesenjalo umkhandlu wengameli zamateksi iSantaco ithi inethemba lokuthi kuzokusetshenziswana kuhle nenkolo ze-e-hailing njengobana kukhibelelwe umthetho wenthuthi zomphakathi okulandela izehlakalo zombango hlangana kwamateksi nenkolo ze-e-hailing.
SuSantaco kukhona esikwenzayo ngokuthi sikhulumisane nabo sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nama-campaign esizobe sihamba ngawo siya kuma-taxi rank sisebenzisa futhi nama-publications esinawo njengemboni yamatekisi ukutshela abantu bethu ukuthi leya mode ye-e-hailing isiyavumelwa manje uhulumeni uyayivumela ukuthi isebenzisane nathi.
Abakhweli bakhonjela ukuthi bangalwi namapholisa wendlela lokho nakajamisa amateksi endleleni batsho bayabaladelisa kanti ikhalinyiwe nemikhwa yabashayeli bamateksi yokuthelisa abakhweli nabashayeli benkolo yezincane. NginguNontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngiseOliven eGauteng.
Umndeni kaMunyedi Mokoqo weminyaka ema-67 obudala 67 webuthabelo eFreystad onesifo sethukela uthi uphukile emoyeni kemva kokugula khulu kababa lo okulandela ukusela kwakhe imchoka egogobalisa ubukhali bentombandonga ayinikelwe emtholapilo ikhibo akanayo ingogwana le kunalokho uselela amapili wesifo sethukela.
Ubaba uMunyefudi Mokoqo wanikelwa ama-ARVs ngephoso emtholapilo ngovela bahlinze ikibe kufanele anikelwe imichoka yethukela kanti wagijinyiselwa esibhedlela ngemva kokuphuma inlonda abhalelwe nakukhamba. Ngemva kwalokho walahlekelwa mkhumbulo ngemva kokuhlala esibhedlela imveke embili. Indodana kaMokoqo itbatsho ngemva kwenyanga kwenzeke isehlakalwesi imphathimandla zomnyango wezempilo zeza ekhabo zazokufuna ukubalilisa ngendwanyana. Umnyango wezempilo eFreystata kungenzeka uqalane necala lokuhlawuliselwa ubudlapha ngendaba le. Eminyakeni opheleleko wemali umnyango lo bonamacala ayi417 ahlotshaniswa nobudlapha kwezokwelapha lapho kufanele bona abhadele imali engange 4.9 billion rand. Umukhethi Mokoqo oyindodana kaNgazimbi uthi ulimuke ngemva kwemveke ubabakhe asela imichoka le ukuthi kuhle akusiyo imichoka yethukela kodwana ngeyokugongobalisa ingogwana yendumbandonga ama-ARVs.
ha ke sheba medication wa ntle o ke o sheba ke a bona man ke re ne man medication wa so hawo di ya re dina le ba code ke sheba ke re ne man ke phone la diamond mo ne ke setsa le ene ke mfo ke re mona o ko ntshekele le ntse a re mona moskitso ona le ke re ne le nantse ke di bona ke tsona.
Unkosikazi kaNgazimbi ubawe isizo emnyangweni wezempilo eFreystata.
Re ka thabela hore ba re thuse o bana re botse bophelo ba ntate bo tlo fella kae. Ha ile hantle nenneng re a tsoa re dule ha sa le hantle re batla ho bitsa di ambulance re a hira dikoloi re tla kopa thuso hla ho bona.
Umnyango wezempilo eFreystata uthi usaphenya uza kuphendula na uqedako.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngobaba onikelwe imchoka engasiyo emtholapilo nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Ule aqinisekise ukuthi ubavulela icala labonesi okanye labantu abamnikeza imshwanguzo engahambisani nokugula kwakhe.
Imbi kakhulu nyani makuphenyisiswe kuphenywe kakhulu
ngoba khona abantu belalaphi abasebenza nje isizo zempilo awukho khona enhlizweni so umnyango wezempilo awuphenye
fanele ba ujeziswe kunye nabonesi abangakhathaliyo ngoba ngoku bamosha impilo katata.
No. Leso sibhedlela lesimele bathathelwa inyathelo ezibanzi labantu abakwazi ukwenza iphutha elinjalo akulona iphutha le.
Kufanele aboshwe lo wachuchiswe ngoba sekukhombisa ukuthi baningi abanikwa nemijovo erongo.
Befuze bamcheck ecange. Bamcheck ukuthi uphethwe yini hayi no babhudungela noma iliphi ipilisi.
Itholampilo leyo enikele ubaba loyo imchoka engasiyo. Ngiyakutshela mntana enkosi abaphathi bayo kufanele bazakale bavele ngaphambili bahlawuliswe.
Umbono ngeyombukeli SABC ayizokuthwaswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli.
Kuzokele endabeni ngobongwe lotshani ngelesithathu selikhela wathela ke ezinye indawo ngaphange eGauteng kanti ke nasithi siyacala ke ngale ngethingalanga Kapa livulile amathuba wezulu nge60% ukusuka lapha esifundeni sangale ngeKZN ungene njalo uthi eFreystata uchinge ngale ke ngeNorthwest nangaphange eGauteng njengoba khe sengatsho nje nakezinye indawo zeNorthwest nasithi siyacala ukuthi kusasa khona linjani lisavulile ngethingalanga Kapa amathuba wezulu nge30% endaweni zangale ke ngeNorthern Cape goduke wathole nge60% esifundeni sangaphange Gauteng esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal kanti ke nesifundeni sangaleke ngeMpumalanga moya ke loya obonako ngegwini elingale ngeMpumalanga sithole lapha ke isilemukiso kuthi namhlanje singobusuku obumjijo iduma kumbi la sibone khona izulu litholakala nge60% sese khona ke kodwa esinye isilemukiso sakusasa kanti ke lapha eUppington ngabane imlilo yemango ngenxa yomoya kanti ke nobujamo bezulu obukhona kanti ke izulu likhulu ngapha ngegwini langale ngeDurban sibona lapha imjijo isaduma kumbi ngendaweni zeGauteng eMpumalanga nakezinye indawo zeFreystata siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani ke amazinga okuchisa ifuthumele kamnandi iGauteng noma ke ekseni ngathi kumakhazana lapha ke eJohannesburg siyabona nakhona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyafuthumala eLimpopo futhumele nayo endaweni ezinengi lapha bomgobhane nge28 sibona iliphalale nge24 izani nayo ke iMpumalanga ke ithoma ekseni imoya upholile ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lapha ke endaweni ezifana nabo Carolina nabo Mbombela kuthi ngakumakhazana emalahleni bomhlanga kupholile ngemva kwamadina nalapho boBomandu isikhukhuza nge23 siyalapha ke KwaZulu Natal sayibona nayo pholile endaweni eziningi Sutherland yona ke imakhaza pheze imini yonke yenibathe nifuthumele iRichards Bay nge23 siyalapha ke sifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa sifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha eEast London nge22 kanti ke lapha kubonxuba nabo Garaf Reinet kuyachisa ngale ke ngethingalanga Kapa eCape Town iyachisa nge31 kuthi ke ezinye indawo ezifana nalapha ke eGeorge kufuthumele nge25 ezinye ke indawo kuyachisa ngakileso sifunda iNorthern Cape leya ke nakhona sibonile ukuthi kunendawo ezichisako ezingabanga imlilo yemango eSpringbok neUppington nge34 kodwa nalapha eSutherland kufuthumele nge29 Freystata ibonakala ke futhumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha eBethlehem neFixburg nalapha ke eFrankfurt bo21 bo22 yiNorthwest kokugcina ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sibona ke isifunda siyafuthumala endaweni eziningi hlokomela ke sibone kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido